Hey everyone, so let's make some tags today. This is kind of like a Pinterest inspired thing. It's that what I'm doing is completely different. Just saw something and it made me think to do what I'm going to do. Right, so I'm using a sheet of this paper which is printable from ARTYmaze. I'm also using this tag. It's an acrylic tag template. It's a pack of 3, again from ARTYmaze. I don't know if she's still got any in stock. She's had them in and out of stock, I believe. These are from ARTYmaze. They're from the old design shop. That is ARTYmaze, and the bees are from MyPorchPrints. And I'm just going to make some tags. So there you go, quick and easy tags, using some freebies, some digital kits, labels, little tickets, and these are from the old design shop, and I'm going to be popping these into the journal that I'm making. I'm making a flip-flop journal again, kind of summery one, so the bees would be nice. The bees again are from MyPorchPrints, and it's one of the fussy cut flower kits, and you get some bees in there as well. So there you go, quick and easy. Thanks for watching.